Hey buddies, what's up? Welcome to a new video on my channel, and today we have here a Mark 8 GTI. It's the 40th anniversary. Anyways, what we're gonna do, we install a giant intercooler. Well, first things first, we're gonna take the bumper off and remove the old intercooler, and then we take a look and compare. Both the old one and the new one next to each other. So the net size is about the same, but it's way deeper. So we're gonna actually measure how much deeper. The intercooler we're using is from CTS Turbo, and it should sit and bolt on like the regular one, because this one already has the large one. It's not like the older ones where you have the small one just at the bottom. So alright, let's dive into it. We have both intercoolers here right next to each other. Size wise they are the same, mounting points and everything is like the stock one. Got here a gauge so we can measure it. So the stock one comes in with exactly 30 millimeters, which is 1.2 inches, and then this one it's 56 millimeters, 2.2 inches, so it's 1 inch deeper, pretty much almost doubling the thing. And also the net looks a little bit different. If you take a closer look here at the net, we see that this one here has way more cooling ribs than this one, which makes this one here having a way better cooling transfer than the stock version. Alright, so we're gonna install it and then we take another look. Alright, so this is how that looks like after we took everything out. Yeah, basically the only thing left here is really the radiator. Everything else completely up. Alright, let's get it back in there and put it back together. Alright, everything is back together. Everything looks good. Had a little bit of struggle getting the support secured against the new intercooler, but I secured it on the tabs with 2 extra screws. Because originally it doesn't have screws in there, so I put 2 screws in there from the front. So that's good. There's enough space here. So everything's good. Car's ready to go. Alright, see you next time.